Hi guys, it's William. How you guys doing today? Today it's Tuesday, May 10th, 2022. Um, this is the second day of the week of the stock market. And after a big sell-off yesterday, one of the worst day in the market where people lost a lot of money, things got worse. Today we got the market in the negative zone, which is we call a recovery. The S&P 500 is in the negative, is in the positive 73.38. The Dow Jones positive 464.65. And the Nasdaq in the positive 299.23 points, which is not a big deal, but it's a good sign that the market is still alive. And as for news for today, every week I keep on talking about the DXY. Today they release an article saying there's an asset class that is doing well. It's only the DXY, which is the dollar index. You remember this one? It went up every time we have a crash in the market, and the way they explained, they didn't say it was the crash in the market. They're saying that because Europe is not functioning the same way it was with the war in Ukraine, and they say because of the COVID lockdown in China. China has a policy of zero COVID, so they have to go into a lockdown. They say that's why the DXY is going up. And as for Bitcoin today, Bitcoin, I always say Bitcoin because it's the main coin, is the mother of all coin. It's like and I will consider like the Dow Jones of the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin is trading today around 32,265. Yesterday went to low $29,700, which is a level it hasn't reached since it had its all-time high around 69,000 back in November, and it really dragged all of the crypto down. The altcoin was in misery yesterday. We have XRP went below 50 cents. We have Shiba went down 25% yesterday. We had all of the coin. There's some even coin that even went down by 60%. That was really a sad day for the crypto market. But there's people who took some Bitcoin, especially Salvador, which is a country in the Central America. They grab a lot of They grab like 500 Bitcoin. They had it. Remember, Bitcoin is one of the legal money in Salvador, and other good firm grab some Bitcoin. And today, what I'm gonna talk about today, it's IPO. What is IPO? IPO, they call it initial public offering. IPO is when a company has been on the market for a long time, and then all of a sudden they want to offer shares to investor. Sometimes they go through like a process where they can go like to a startup where like apps that you can find those company. You can go to micro venture, to start engine, like those company, they're offering the product, and then also then people buy those security, and then the day of the IPO, all the people who got on board early birds, the company will get valued as much people invested. So that means the company goes public. So it's better like to grab a company you think the product, you understand the product early before the IPO. So as last year, Coinbase did it, Robinhood and other company did it also. And what's the next move in the market? How do I see the market in the short term? Today it's a big recovery for the market. As yesterday, let's say the last few days, market days, the market was misery. So um, let's see what's gonna happen. And I always talk about the DXY. As soon as stay like this, we are in a consolidation phase where people are trying to buy the bottom. People are trying to stack up on good shares of on good companies. So As you can see, this is the DXY side. It's really up. It's hoverboard. Like people, it has to come down. Remember, every time the DXY goes down, it trigger a pump in the Dow Jones, S&P 500, and other, and even in Bitcoin too. And as for Bitcoin, what's the next move in Bitcoin? So Bitcoin went down by a lot. As I said yesterday, the graph was lagging. Today, Bitcoin pumped to 32,000, which is a big pump from 29,700. So now we on the 4 hours. The 4 hours, as I'm talking right now, it's already up with the pump from last night, and then I don't know if it's gonna be consolidating in that area, and then it has to come down later tonight. And the one day is really bad, which is one savior we got right now. We will only need the R side to move good volume, positive, and let's see how the market will be recovering. And also, as I said, a crash in the DXY also bring a pump in Bitcoin too. So what Bitcoin did yesterday, it's a mini story of what it did in 2018. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, learn, especially people who lives here in the United States, Haitian people, and my videos for everyone by the way. So I hope you guys learn about this video and then act. Yep. And then like, subscribe, and have a great day.